This is what folks used to do. It takes a lot of hands to get everything done. Today I'm gonna show you all of the end products that we've created from these pigs.
Grind this entire batch of wheat. Start packaging and casing some of it. Oh, I want to do
We're gonna start with sausage. They're making breakfast sausage over here. This has been coarse ground. It was pre-seasoned yesterday. And then over here they're stuffing some in casing.
We may need to clean that plate. But it's collecting. And your goal is to keep it a little less filled than that.
Okay.
It should be squishy so that we can link it.
The next one will be better.
That looks nice. Doing a little sausage test.
Okay, good.
Taste test. So.
For you. You got the batch, huh?
I'm gonna share. I got, yeah.
Somebody's got to do it, Arthur.
It sucks.
So again, before we taste it, we're going to adjust seasoning, back it up, do whatever we got to do before we put it away. And you got 50 pounds of sausage you don't like.
How was that?
Oh my god.
Yeah, stack them.
That's really good.
Doesn't bother you that we just killed him yesterday?
No, not at all.
Me neither.
Kills mine, maybe.
You know you did it. It's not that hard at all. No. You just measure and make sure you get your balance right. And you wind up.
Liverwurst spices. What are you working on?
I'm working on blood sausage. We're using 4 cups of blood, and we're using 2 pounds of fat, and we're using about 3 medium to large size apples.
What are y'all working on over here?
We work on the hogs.
Tongues.
I take the meat off the hog's head.
So you're working on head cheese? Is that where this is going?
That's right. This is going to be head cheese.
So this is all really tender.
It actually smells so good. I asked him if he'd eat an eyeball for $100.
What did you say?
I said yes.
Are you offering $100 for this? Right here is a broth. This is what we actually cooked the heads in, and we are reducing it right now dramatically to a really small volume, and that will be poured over the head meat. Here we have heads in progress, smoking, and I think they're beautiful and look delicious. What job are y'all working on over here?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Oh, well, that's important.
This is backwards.
I would love some coffee.
Yeah.
We're taking our lard that has been rendered and then re-rendered and just pouring it back into jars here. Here's a batch of skin and fat back that we're actually going to render into lard. We're braising back fat with no skin for the blood sausage. And then here, I'm bagging up skin that will be made, frozen and made into chicharrones in the future.
Bring all the gelatin together and also
Nice, appreciate it.
So we're adding the apples to the onions for blood sausage.
Those are looking awesome. Beautiful. Everything that's going in the freezer is getting vacuum sealed. This is bacon that's going out with Charlie's pig. He's taking this home and it will just cure in this bag before he throws it in the freezer. I'm helping Anna carry in all of this curing bacon. This is the Rhodes bacon. It's got salt and sugar cure on it, and it's going to the fridge for 7 days.
So we had our fresh stirred blood. We took out the platelets. We don't want it clotted. It does not work if it's clotted. This is my personal pate spice, so it's predominantly nutmeg, a little bit of allspice, a little white pepper, black pepper, ounce of salt, up to 2 cups of cream. We're gonna be a little shy of 2 cups.
Poached back fat. Apples and onions.
So this is just a little natural because we've got the
Poaching the blood sausage.
on some of these, how we presented this and finished it.
Assembling head cheese.
We'll wait to put the tarragon into the end because it's a fresh herb.
I guess.
This is a preservation technique, not just a presentation technique. If you coat it, if you lay fat over it, by the way, lard fat, and seal it after it's set up, As it's getting a little firm, that's sort of like a confit where you'd have another barrier and you could actually probably leave it in your root cellar.
Are y'all grinding liver?
Yes. Through the second time.
Casing liverwurst.
Okay.
We'll set up some water maybe inside and we'll poach these. They're gonna take quite a while. Get 165 going slow.
What we're doing today, all this work, is accomplishing two big things. One is we're filling the Rhodes freezer with meat that's gonna feed them through the year. The other thing though, is we're producing a feast. A lot of these products that we made today, the head cheese, the blood sausage, if you were to make liver pate, these products, they don't keep. So whenever you kill pigs, you have a feast. And that's what we're gonna do today. It's gonna be so delicious and we're gonna eat really soon once we get cleaned up.
Hey, there's a snack behind you, cheese. It's beef log, like summer sausage from the cows we butcher.
Cooking all this amazing food.
Yeah.
Mike, for teaching us all this amazing stuff.
Thank you, Mike.
We have just a few fresh hams, there are the crispy cracklings. Grab one or two of those up here.
We have a little bit of poached blood sausage that's chilled here. It's soft, but I just tried it pretty tasty. We have a little bit of Italian links that we're finishing off. Rolled porchetta de testa, which is soft. Just a little bit of that. So those are kind of your more adventurous items.
Try that. What is it? An ear? Delicious. Nope, thank you. I just ate a pig ear. I'm pulling out of the Rhodes house here. We had such a great time and learned a ton. Just to see things, even just to see things. You learn so much, seeing how everything works together in this process, but also getting hands-on and actually getting to do stuff for the first time. It's been just amazing. Thank y'all for joining us and hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you pretty soon.